Welcome to vlog number 3 on Search Simon. And before we get into the video, I want to thank y'all so much for 20 subscribers. But for real though, it's lit. Thank you all guys. It's pretty awesome. And yesterday was Easter, and so my parents gave me like this thing as a gift. It's like a power cord thing you can plug stuff into. And yeah, I'm gonna do some cable management in my room, and these USBs will come in handy because I don't have like a ton of power bricks, so it'll be good to charge stuff in that. So let's get into it. Okay, so I already unplugged the other one. I just gotta take out my other stuff. So I'm gonna plug this bad boy to the wall. Might have to move some stuff around back here to get this in. So I'm gonna have to take my light. I got a light up here, so I'm gonna have to take that out to plug this in. So I just plugged this bad boy in, and I got a sound machine right here, like a white noise machine that I guess I'll just plug in up here. Try to just tuck the cord back here. Okay, so I got that good. Now I just need, so right here I got my camera, batteries, and I will probably keep it into this power brick, so because I already had a good spot for it. I'll plug this in. I'm trying to see if it's on. I think I might want it this way. Wait, no. Yeah. I want it right there. I just put it up here on top of my desk. Get those batteries charging for some future videos. And this one, I still like this one. I'll probably still use it for something else. But right when it's this one has like a longer cord to it, so it can stretch out farther. I got my phone charger right here, which I'll plug in. I won't even use the power brick for. I'll just plug it into this USB, so I can keep it right up here next to my bed. And then I'll plug in my iPad charger here instead of, or my tablet charger right there. And then just set that over here. At some point, I might use some like the Velcro stuff for plugging stuff in. And you don't have to watch this video if you think it's boring, because I understand if you do. And oh, I got these right here that I gotta plug in. My wireless headphones, or my wireless earpods, and I can use my other USB port for that. And I guess now I can move it up here. It's usually down there, but I guess I can move it up there now. And I'm plugging this in. And looks like we got it pretty good. I might use some Velcro to make sure the wires aren't like acting up or anything. But as you can see, this has got a pretty long cord to it that I might just tuck under here for now. And so that'll be like that. My phone charger will be up here. This can really be wherever I want it, so I might just move it back here or something. But nah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna move all. Actually, there is one more thing I gotta plug in: my light. So I'm gonna move all that stuff over and bring out this cord a little. And I'm gonna unplug this. I'm gonna unplug my sound machine. Plug it into here. And then my light, I'll use my, this one right here. Plug that in right up here. And use this for my light. So I got my light plugged in. Let me see if it works. Yeah, it's on. And then now I used to have 2 little power bricks. Now I got an extra one. I can just keep right here if I got anybody that comes over or something. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, just go ahead and do whatever you want. You don't actually have to. I was gonna say leave a thumbs up, but you don't gotta do that. And thanks for tuning in, because this video was just, maybe it was a little boring, but it was something I needed to get done, so it was pretty productive for me. So thank y'all. I'll see y'all next time on Sir Tico Simon.